Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a problem that can catch you off guard when working with C++ classes. The problem we're tackling involves the default comparison operators code operator equals code and code operator equals code in a class containing a reference member. Can you guess where the problem lies? Now let's talk about the solution. The reason behind the issue is that reference members lead to the deletion of comparison operators by default, as stated in the P1603-R1 paper. This decision is in alignment with the design intent outlined in the P0515 paper, emphasizing the importance of default copying guiding default comparison. It's all about maintaining consistency and safety when working with classes that have reference members. In summary, when working with C++ classes that contain reference members, default comparison operators like code operator equals code and code operator equals code are automatically deleted to ensure safety and consistency. Understanding this key concept will help you avoid unexpected errors in your code. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. See you next time.